Hey everybody. Alright, so this is the project I'm working on right now. You guys know that I'm going to be the glassblower at Indiana Beach, but what I need to do is build myself a workbench. So that's where this is going to come in. I love this because it already has this faux rock on it, just like Frankenstein's castle, so it's going to look just like Frankenstein's castle and incredibly thematic. So I'm super excited about that. If we come back here, we'll see that it's got all of the storage space, which is really awesome. I've changed out the lock on it, so now I've got a keyed lock so I can lock this up and make it really useful. But what I need to do today is start ripping off this countertop here and put on a metal surface that I can run my torch on, and even if it gets hot, no problems. So, let's get started. Alright, back again. I just ripped the top off. It was a beast. The thing weighs probably about 50 pounds at least, maybe even 60. It feels like it's about as much as one of the giant bags of dog food that I buy for my beautiful little hound. But we can see that the top is now completely gone. It's sitting over here. It was glued on and it weighs a gazillion pounds. But now that that's off, we're going to take some measurements and see what we can do. Got the metal onto the top. It's a galvanized steel here. I've got the torch mounted. So we're making progress. I still need to figure out how I want to do the glass protective windows across the surface in the front here. But yeah, for a couple of hours here this evening, we're making pretty good progress. I hope you all having a great time. All right, I'll see you in the next video.